2 more times to spill on your life.